What's up guys, welcome back. This is LiQWYD back again in front of you, and this is Turbo C part 4. And today we are going to put the offspring of the command that we used in the last video. That was the condition. So here we are going to put advanced version or the offspring of that program. So without any further delay, let's start the video and let's take off a rocket to the sky. So let's start that. So opening the Turbo C, as you all know it, because it's an important factor. So there's no much opening date, and it was the file that we said the last time. Okay, so we are going to make only few changes in it. Okay, and we are going to put some advanced one. So without any further delay, let's start. First, I'm going to remove this one. Okay, printf. Okay, I'm removing this, and I'm just putting one more integers, that is answer A and SWER answer, and clear screen after I'm putting this. Okay, and I am putting the command of answer A and SWER answer, and we are giving this command that we have written: if A is greater than B, comma, then here comes the thing, is that the command, then what will happen? If A is greater than B, then what will happen? Then it will happen that, otherwise it will do the addition. Okay, B or command. If false, then it will do A minus B. Okay, it will do A plus B or A minus B. Okay, since, and now it will print the value, that the value is the answer in SWER. The answer is equal to the percentage D, and in place of percentage D, you all guys know that we have to write the answer A and SWER. And let's compile the program whether it's correct or not. As L plus F9, see, no warnings, no error. We are ready to take off our rocket in the sky. Let's move on. It's Control plus F9, and yeah, the answer is percentage. Why? Because we have not given here D, guys. Oh, that's all the silly problem that we have done, guys. Now again, let's start the program. It's Control plus D. The answer is right because it's true. And if we are writing here A is equal to 5, then what will happen, guys? If A is equal to 5, then the answer is 2, because the 5 minus 2 is 3. So this was a limited and a simple advanced version of the last program that we have showed you in this program. So if you do like the video, then do hit the thumbs up and do subscribe to be updated from our channel. So guys, this is LiQWYD finishing this video. Here it's